United Quest Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. If you fly United regularly, this card can quietly upgrade your entire travel experience. You earn bonus miles on United purchases, dining, and travel. You also get free checked bags, priority boarding, and statement credits toward United purchases. One of the biggest benefits is the annual travel credit, which can significantly offset the annual fee. If United is your main airline, this card can save you hundreds per year. Verdict: worth it for frequent United flyers.